Everybody say sales are sales.
Sales are sales.
People are people.
People are people.
Doors are doors.
Doors are doors.
I can sell to anybody.
I can sell to anybody.
Anytime.
Anytime.
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
I can sell windows.
Well, then my job is pretty quick, man. Just take a lap, count them up, just so you know what it would be. We'll be out of here. Then I can just meet you back there. And what was your name?
Nate.
Nate. Nice to meet you, man. I'm Peyton. Yep, meet you back there in 30 seconds.
Good.
All right. Where to reach out to?
952.
952. And like I said, it's kind of up to you. You kind of have an option of every 4 months or 3 months. Which one would you rather go for?
If I did, it would be longer.
Longer. So probably every 3 times, like three times a year. Gotcha.
If you want to go ahead and grab that for me, I'll just be waiting here.
Yeah, okay, sure.
And then you sit down, just like where we sit down right now.
Okay.
So I think you have this in the bag now. What things could pop up right now?
Well, now that he's talking to the wife, maybe the wife.
So you might have to get the wife to come
I was
out.
going to say, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
All right. I don't know if...
You the one showed up?
I'm one of the helpers.
Yeah. He popped up.
We're
But
doing
yeah.
all the training stuff. Did he do okay?
Yeah.
He's pretty good.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Lucky you didn't get this guy, though.
I am taking your hair!
So these are the months that were coming out. July, obviously. I mean, these are all mix and matchable. You can kind of move them as you want. I appreciate you giving us a shot.
yeah.
You have a blessed night.
You too.
All right,
Good luck.
Nate. Thanks, Nate. Huh?
Does he have your number?
I'm gonna text him. Well,
Yeah, shoot me a
yeah,
text.
yeah. I'll text you.
Selfie if you want. That way you remember it.
Sure. You want to take a selfie?
Selfie with me.
No.
There you go.
All right, man. Well,
Hey, have a blessed day, sir.
you see you, Nate.
Take care.
Have a good one, Nate.
Just saw there, and what I worked on with him is when you go for the close, like debit or credit, don't just start running your mouth afterwards if they're quiet for a second, because that's the moment where they get to think, and that's the moment where they close themselves. So that's the adjustment. Bro, I'm just talking about how we made that adjustment. So you tell me what you learned from the coaching. That was such a dope interaction because I could coach you while the guy went in. What are some things that you took away from coaching?
What I learned is that I talk too much. I kind of just need to let the homeowner have that coral in their head. If I talk too much, I oversell, and then they're jumbled up.
So
They got too much.
literally like our correlation this morning, the price, retail, reassure, and reclose.
Reclose, okay.
So one more time, retail,
Retail,
reassure,
reassure,
reclose,
reclose.
and then shut your mouth.
Gotcha. Okay.
Because what we did, retail, reassure, reclose, ramble.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So that's the adjustment, and you killed it, bro.
Appreciate that.
We have to do one more
We do have to do
because
one more.
we all have to talk to one person after 8:30.
It's Dolan's turn now.
Or bald. So much easier without the guard. I'll do a Q&A while I shave his head, okay? All right, so before I leave a house, I'm doing you dirty right now. How's it looking, fellas? Before I leave a house, I always quiz the customer, okay?
Are you getting girls on Hinge now?
Hey guys, if you're watching this video and you want to actually see how I finish these deals up, then you need to hop on my training platform at majorsalestraining.com. Click the join button. Join for either $100 a month or $9.97 a year. There's no contract. Guys, I just want you to get freaking better. And so the YouTube's fantastic, but I want you guys to see the full deal. All of my mastermind trainings will be on there. All my workshop trainings will be on there this next month. I'll see you guys on the course. Keep plugging away and go have a massive summer. Back to the video.
Howdy, I see I set off the little alarm going over there. What type of dog? You got multiple of them.
You say we might be quality.
I gotcha. Is he home right now or is he out at work?
He's not home yet.
He's not home yet? All right, thank you so much, sir. I appreciate you. Have a good one. Holy Darth Vader. Oh my God.
I am your father.
Your body language is really money. You're really relatable. You're not like other door-to-door salesmen. You're friendly, and I think that's awesome. So,
Shut up.
bro, you actually give me like Spider-Man vibes, though.
Yeah.
Like, what's the guy's name? Purpose.
Tobey Maguire.
Tobey
Did it-
Maguire is great.
He did it perfectly. He was a weird-looking guy. Fit the role perfectly.
Yeah, we use a lot of Tobey Maguire in our YouTube.
Shazam!
Oh, I've seen that. Yeah.
Yeah. The screaming scene.
Your YouTube's great, dude. Your YouTube, his YouTube's awesome. You guys gotta check it out. All the free videos on there, they're hilarious.
I'm telling you. Listen, I'm not just talking to you because I think.
Hi, Bum. No, don't hit him. That
Hey,
one makes
hey,
honey.
hey. That's
a
that's a
bumblebee.
carpenter, right?
No, that one is
I swear that's a
fuzzy.
carpenter.
I just know it's not.
I used to do
wasp.
bug spray.
Seriously?
Yeah, like pest control.
That looks like
that
a
was a
honey
carpenter.
maker.
That was a carpenter bee.
He's
If it's a carpenter
right.
bee, you have to buy from me.
Pilot, you armed? Armed and ready,
sir.
Ah, shoot.
No, he didn't get you.
Yeah, he did almost. So Billy, I'm gonna count up the windows. I need you to take, listen, I need you to keep an open mind.
I have an open mind.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna count up the windows. Yeah, I'm gonna count up the windows.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a price.
Oh my God.
Don't stress, don't stress.
I know.
Okay, so I'm gonna count up the windows. I'll give you a price, and then I'll meet you out back, okay? But take deep breaths. Deep breaths. This will be the, if you do it, it'll be the cheapest thing you ever bought, okay? Bear with me, I'm gonna count them up, okay? I'll meet you out back. I'm just doing everything I can do to get a deal right now.
Yeah, you're doing yoga, dude. You're looking good.
I know.
We all just start doing downward dog.
10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It doesn't even matter anymore. I'm just giving you the best price. Window on the windows here, like this, for example, like,
I haven't gotten to it yet.
I know, it's okay, don't worry. Look, on this window right here, so you see how the dust collects along the sills?
Yep.
What happens is it'll actually cause the panes, the seals to pop off the frames, air inside
Well,
the
there's one
panes.
leaking over there, and I need somebody to come fix it.
Well, I'm gonna clean it, okay? So look, the way it works, really simple, on Tuesday, I'll have the guy come out. Do you have any dogs or just the kiddos?
Yes, no, I have a dog.
Okay, that must be the dog. Kind of like the
Yeah, he's
smears.
probably right there.
Yep.
Oh, I thought he was in the window.
No, like the smudges here and stuff like that. So basically, really simple, the way it works is, man, I got a bug on
Are
me.
you married?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, you know how this goes.
Oh yeah, I know, listen, like, and I know women love clean windows. What's a good phone number for you?
I'm not signing up today.
Please don't say that.
Talk to me about what's holding you back.
Bought this house
In November. And you invested a lot of money into it.
And my mortgage increased.
What are you looking at right now? I'm in a
Way
7.6 on mine.
more.
Oh my gosh.
Way more than I had at my old house.
So it's mainly a budget thing, am I right? Okay. So look, but I do think you
and
do
I'm
see.
redoing all my floors by myself instead of paying somebody
Okay.
$7,000 to do it.
I think the one thing that you'd like, if there's any service that you would appreciate, it's probably the windows. Because you like having clean windows. When you moved in, you did it. You just moved from a twin home, correct?
I did. And my
Go ahead.
21-year-old used to do door-to-door salesman. And he
What'd he
worked
sell?
for MNRC,
What do they sell?
roofing insurance claims.
I can't be a roofer. I don't have a beard.
He didn't either.
Was he
But
good?
I don't think so.
I know.
So here's what I'm gonna do.
No.
I'm not gonna make as much, but hear me out. Deep breath.
No, he owes me so much money, and I can't take that man. And the answer is no.
Try this really quick. I just
No.
namaste. Please.
No.
Please.
Is he all there? Like mentally?
I think so. He's just an odd guy.
205.
I'm still gonna say
205 for the first one. And then after that, I'll come out for you guys every 3 months. I'm gonna make this so darn simple to where you'd feel crazy telling me no. I'm gonna keep it at 205 per service, and that's it.
Damn good deal.
No, I'm proud of you, and I want you to have babies and be a very successful man, but I say no. And I'm proud of you for the hustle.
Namaste.
I'm proud of you.
Okay, thanks.
I
We tried.
I know you did.
We tried.
And it's not for lack of trying.
I tried.
I know you did.
Bill, you're
But
great.
I say no because
Namaste.
he owes me. My son owes me a lot of money, and
This one?
Nope, the other one I had to kick him out.
I need that money.
We tried. It's all
You
good.
did, and you did your best,
I did my best.
and I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Wash windows.
Karaoke, boy.
I don't know.
Okay, look here. Have a blessed day.
Oh, thank you.
I'm a mom,
You are amazing.
Yeah,
but
the
I'm
best
still
mom.
saying no.
That's a great mom, though. That's still fun.
But the answer is no.
Well, guys, I honestly thought. Did you learn something though?
Yeah.
I mean,
We're so happy and just it's fun to be.
yeah, it's fun to buy for me.
Yeah.
Go for Norman's head.
Norman?
Mazer, the greatest trainer of all time. Mwah, mwah.
You know, you got a really unique doorbell there.
Yep.
Yeah. Are you the renter or property owner at the home?
No.
Has it been like the last week or two?
Appreciate you. I am literally selling the house and we're out in 2 weeks, so maybe try in 2 weeks and maybe the new owners will take you guys up on it.
You know what? I can't beat that one.
That's what we learned about this morning.
Yep.
That's like a condition. She's leaving. Are we cool on conditions? Yeah, you're not selling it, right? House burned down. I'm moving to Alaska, and we're foreclosing on the home. And I have $0 in my bank account, and I can't pay my child support, whatever. You know what I mean? Something like that. Okay? They ain't got no money.
By flushing them out, it's similar to what you had on it before, where it's supposed to keep the rain off, like a rain X. Okay. It actually works though, because there's no dirt and pollen up there. After the first one, this will be moved more January. We do the interiors back in the springtime. That way it's clean through the year. She never has to look at them and she doesn't have to bug you about getting them cleaned. You guys as a one-time guy, because they're going out of business because they can't uphold the standards.
I hear you, man. I'm game to pay for one time.
Is it more the frequency that just is a little bit more on the...
I don't probably feel like paying for $1,500 or $2,000 worth of window cleaning a year. But,
I gotcha. I will tell you, and if it's a deal breaker, you know, like I said, man.
No, I'll do it one time. If you guys will do that, that's cool. Otherwise, like, I'm good. If that doesn't fit your guys' model, I get it. But,
you're totally fine. You're not hurting my feelings with it. I'm just trying to problem solve. But
that's all good.
If I did, so $200 off, gutters, garage door, everything just $435 now. And let's say, if we took out the interiors and I spaced them out to March and I just did them now back in the spring and pushed it out, that's a 6-month cycle. So it pushes a little bit more out, so you're not even paying remotely that much.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't think I want it.
I'll give you a shot with the expectation that...
It's a one-time. So don't go to the agreement until I've sold them on the whole thing.
You just want to mention that it's like the every 3 months. Mm-hmm. The only adjustment, I think, would have been to try to move him.
I noticed as soon as I walked away, I was like, I've been in that spot the whole time.
I would have twisted more in the 24 to 12, and then if that didn't work, I would have twisted more.
And put more time in between the drops so it wasn't so rapid.
It happened hella fast.
Yeah, okay.
And I would have moved him.
Moved him.
That's it. See those adjustments?
Yeah.
Tiny adjustments.
Yeah, that makes sense.
The discount, that's it. So before I leave a door, I'm going to ask them those questions. I'm going to ask them those questions. Not yet, now you are.
Okay, that feels bald. Oh my God.
Let's go. So.
Oh my God.
Dude, you look awesome.
Oh my God, it's gone, dude. It's gone.
We all want you bald, bro.
I want you bald.
It's going bald! It's going bald! Connor, guys, listen.
You look like Walter White, bro.
Guys,
So am I skinhead right now?
listen. Connor's closing ratio with bald guys is going to go through the roof. We're going to get one more head shaved before I leave. That's my goal. It's either going to be Vaughn or Henry. Yes. Either one is acceptable.